For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Delhi government opposes Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal's order on COVID Centre for Clinical Assessment. Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia writes to Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Manish Sisodia requests Amit Shah to do away with the system to be introduced by the Lieutenant Governor. Sisodia says the system has been creating chaos in dealing with COVID-19 cases in Delhi. Sisodia said he had requested Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal to change the rules but not received any reply from him. As per the rule, COVID-19 patient required to visit a quarantine center for clinical assessment.
दिल्ली में आप खुद इंटरवीन कर रहे हैं और आप काफ़ी सक्रिय रूप से और सहयोगात्मक रूप से इंटरवीन कर रहे हैं। आपके सहयोग के इसकी सक्रिय भूमिका के लिए हम आपके आभारी भी हैं। लेकिन ये जो व्यवस्था लागू हो गई है, इसको बंद करवाइए, नहीं तो इसकी वजह से हाहाकार मच जाएगा पूरी व्यवस्था की वजह से।
Delhi government has been demanding the centre and Lieutenant Governor to change the rule and restore the old system. As per the old system, clinical assessment of COVID-19 would be conducted at patients' residences. The new health system protocol was formalized in Delhi on Monday. New patients need to visit a testing centre to get themselves checked as per the revised standard operating procedures. The new order said that the patients will be checked by a medical officer at the testing centre to assess the severity of illness. The AAP government in Delhi contends that the new system putting an additional burden on the administration. Delhi government said special ambulances and more medical staff needed to check the patients. The government has further added that it is facing a shortage of ambulances and medical staff. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has once again requested the centre and Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal to restore the old system. Arvind Kejriwal said Delhi government's home isolation plan has been working very well and wanted the same system to continue. Delhi's home isolation plan has been working very well. I have personally spoken to many patients on phone who underwent home isolation. I would urge centre and LG not to tinker with it and restore it back. Manish Sisodia on Tuesday said the new guidelines have created panic among the people. Why should COVID-19 patient be made to stand in a queue at quarantine centre? Sisodia questioned. Sisodia added that the medical team should visit the home of COVID-19 patient instead. New guidelines on home isolation were announced after Lieutenant Governor modified revised guidelines. Lieutenant Governor had ordered mandatory institutional quarantine last week due to surge in COVID-19 cases. The centre and the AAP government are at loggerheads over the new guidelines. Delhi is the second worst affected region in the country due to COVID-19 after Maharashtra. As per the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare website, Delhi reported 66,602 COVID-19 cases and 2,301 deaths.